open mo ng account mo, yes, feel good, tamis ko na, ka-trader. So, paano gagawin sa ating daily task? So, pagka-open mo ng account mo, and then dito sa ibaba, makikita mo itong expand more. Yan, expand more. I-click mo yan, expand more. And then makikita mo yung my machine. I-click mo yan, my machine. Then makikita mo itong activate mining machine. I-click mo yan. And then i-click mo yan, confirm. Okay? So ulitin mo lang 3 times. Okay? To make sure na activated ang iyong machine. So mababasa mo naman kung ano yung sabi ng system. So your mining machine has been activated today. Please activate it again after 0